Last week, Apple was the most valuable company in the world. This Monday, it was Microsoft. These are two of the most storied names in tech. But now the stock market has a new king, NVIDIA, a chip maker based in the US. For the first time ever, NVIDIA has become the most valuable company in the world. It is now valued at $3.34 trillion. Microsoft is at $3.32 trillion and Apple is at $3.27 trillion. NVIDIA is on top. And why does it matter? I'll give you three reasons why. First, this is an underdog story. NVIDIA is a relative newcomer to the world of mega caps, and its rise is among the fastest in market history. Today, its stock is worth nearly $136. 8 years ago, it was less than 1% of its current price. Second, NVIDIA's sales and profits have surpassed expectations. Look at its blockbuster first quarter, with a 262% increase in revenue and a 462% increase in profits year on year. With such fierce growth, NVIDIA has leapfrogged its competitors, and this is the third reason. For perspective, look at Apple. It crossed the 1 trillion valuation in 2018. But Apple hit the 3 trillion mark only last year. So Apple took nearly 5 years to go from 1 to 3 trillion. Same with Microsoft, but not NVIDIA. 2 years ago, its market valuation was about $400 billion. Last year, it struck $1 trillion, and now it's worth more than $3 trillion in less than a year. Now, the speed of growth has been startling, especially when you look at where and how they started. NVIDIA was founded in 1993 to build chips for video games, and that's what they did for decades, until CEO Jensen Huang chose to do something else. Diversify. He wanted to ride technology's next wave, artificial intelligence. It was quite the bet. AI was not as big then, yet NVIDIA switched tracks and it invested heavily. It made computer chips needed to create AI systems, known as GPUs, graphics processing units. And now that bet is paying off. AI is taking over the world, and leading the charge is NVIDIA. It controls about 80% of the market for AI chips. It sells everything from chips to AI software to supercomputers. NVIDIA chips are used to run groundbreaking AI models like ChatGPT. Tech giants are buying AI chips in bulk. All of them have deals with NVIDIA. Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google. Simply put, Huang anticipated a gold rush and chose to sell shovels to the miners. It was the surest way to make money, which he has. NVIDIA made its stock market debut in 1999. Since then, its shares have skyrocketed. By how much? More than 591,000%. 591,000%. Let that sink in. This meteoric rise has made NVIDIA a Wall Street darling, and its founder Huang the so-called Taylor Swift of tech. The 61-year-old is being treated like a rock star. Maybe his leather jacket is a contributing factor, but wherever he goes, crowds chant his name, they scramble for autographs, and they call it Jensanity. After all, Jensen Huang is now one of the world's richest people, with an estimated net worth of $117 billion. He's calling this AI rush the new industrial revolution. But some wonder if this growth can be sustained, and to others, this tech bubble is problematic because much of the chip power is concentrated in the hands of one man. NVIDIA does have some competitors like AMD or Advanced Micro Devices. It is run by Huang's cousin. Maybe battling for chip domination runs in the family. But so far, no company has been able to eat into NVIDIA's market share. Analysts say this won't change anytime soon, so Wall Street continues to adore its AI poster child. And AI heavyweights are betting on the company. For all we know, this could be the second AI bet that pays off for NVIDIA.